Alright, nande niregita tukithira tukiorokera kiri ndwaria shentukenarua kiuri kia bata kiri na kimonimoni is Vision 2030 alive rikana Vision 2030 kirugurwa ni wari rais Mwai Kibaki nyuma ya miaka ya naona Kenya ikethira igukinya gatagaria gukira ke uchumi ikethira among the first world kana developed countries the Africa ke indikethira inyeri na igweta ome ya ndigoro shaki Africa indi 2030 ni miaka 5 ke ithirite igetiwa na narua tukethira tukithuya inatumite inatukinyite kana kithira tukomba kwithira tukingie kiroto kia 2030 kana Vision 2030 onbeta wakabu mudharimi karibu sana kirege kabo kia siasa Meru TV tuthingatire kire mitandao kinande Facebook @Meru TV Kenya, YouTube @Meru TV Kenya. Turi na political economist bwana Robert Jero wa Credible agatotetheria kuthoya mwerekerajo mugongo ningenya mwerekero siasa thirido rikiolotera Vision 2030. Karibu sana. Good evening.
Evening.
Uri mwega. Kirora ati ukumenya Robert Jero wa Credible ni nani?
Okay, thank you Kabwe. Thank you for this opportunity. Na nyano ntopa kuona kanyaga kuthira tu kiaraniria na muraithiri wa Meru TV. Muraithiri wa Meru TV mbetagwa Jero wa Credible kana Robert Jero kumarotero wa South Imenti mbithande mwana biashara na mbithande pia secretary wa Mantoja Mubira. So itu twatwe socialize muno na youths na ngurukia yo jonde na ndi muthurio Mantoja siasa na Mantoja uchumi. Na thank you so much nonto bakanyaka twatwe na kogororwa na arua gakwaraniria nonto timbijitiri na shume no ra shumerengi. So kanyakara twatwe nako I appreciate nonto twatwe na kanyaka kega kuthomithania na kugaume
na nonto we South Imenti na no kwa ile bo ground kore Vision 2030 ekuingwa nau kiri manto mirandi ya iti na mbere kana safari bado
safari bado lakini tunasonga tunasonga ni pole pole but so far so good na ngwetekia the piece not the tutakinyau inya South Imenti by 2030 but with the current leadership we appreciate the pace that we are moving on na maybe tukatwena ka vision yetu nyada the bigger Vision 2030 by then tukatu achieve ka vision yetu if all goes well na wateka the leadership reke theriku na reriku thaici ga take the same steps na moves ira paetete na cio tukatu achieve ka vision yetu by its own nije South Imenti tutrekana ni Meru County and watu tutomba tangurio kinya mbere
enya mtotianist na uetianist ni twire kana ni Meru o mtu aringa irandebe koke
it is given nonto nyagi siasa cha 2017 cha 2017 it was kategeka kiraito na munya na it was open to every area of Meru County kibaugaga kiraito ya minister kubirinto ikia South Imenti ko South Imenti nerekana na the expense of the other part of Meru County teganko the segregation kanko separate the area cha Meru County but it is true everywhere that's a fact everywhere in Meru County they know whatever happened during that regime na igwegwe katagaria etagaririe mbere na te so emono wethere maybe ini utongeria na yange no to pasa other factors like majani like population
bwana Jero last week itware na muthoyo gisiasa kuma South Imenti wewe James Mwini ore mutongeria wa Mbeombethe awa South Imenti kwenterenya gote na stima inya ikingi bando ni kingi yake transformer ne rware iroyo na nya akiwa barabara imwe ni ukurwe ende kanani ntoko yake kanani tida stima
by the way entitled to his own opinion
sure.
Na any progress me gisiko no gete gisiko no ngiake yako na idhani na akameta dhani no temuritau but area ira nyingi cia South Imenti currently like Naru I think it is yesterday kwena njira imwe cia county government the area MP kuona imwe agitura na agikaira mwaramu na kithithagia kwena njira je ukuiramia gwikirwa kwena njira iwe gwitio ba mikumbune na rami kwena njira KK Mworoga Netungu still ne gwikirwa rami. So if you look into all those things that are happening simultaneously kana rimwe within the 2 years, then tinga wena some other agenda ukienda kuthukia utongeria na mbuge manto justima it might be true some areas no ntona ku inya Nairobi you might wonder ukethera some areas ukeja kwethera gutena street light inde kwina street light ituje town that's a capital city ibati kwethera ina street light all through but kwina some areas ugeta wethera itena street light mbuga the range ni kethera 90% ina stima, then the 10% itimeotoma tutue kana ndethe southiment tuwe mundune katogageria gochora the 10% ikona weru lakini teto condemn the whole constituency. I think it is one of the constituency in the most area in the survey because I'm a researcher another aspect na to the research in Meru County with the FAO Food and Agriculture Organization ko in most areas cia Meru County uteno nteta
sure
house to house to collect data. Now I tell you one of the most area kana constituency covered with electricity more than any other area is Southiment.
Now since 1963
yes
mwanka narua turi 2025 it's more than 6 decades.
Yes.
You know around 62 years ira nyuma batu kwethira tukiono ciathi indi yatha tuyara baba kana founding fathers ba lalemekaira murimo kwaga umenyo nontu bwa kithomo ninge kwithira kuri na ukiabu buingi no yo tukwithira tukiyalalamikira 62 years later batu generations after ati bando kuri na mpangaratano rwangine rwa kithomo bando kuri na mpangaratano rwangine rwa mantu ige ogima kandi ya sha and so on na bando okea enya kire ngurumanio ya 2022 agakuwa manto ya bottom up manto ya sola yethira very catchy nonto bwa kwithira Anthony Wenyelekete kiuchumi athai barabara ikire upinzani bariwa okwa payslip vision 2030 bado yaka itianiritwe kana yaka kioto kiongwa kidogo kazibo.
I think ukotariria bwaga kuma the 60 years the decades from since independence na tutueria mathino jau yokua ja education mpara na kwithira kwina difference between the rich and the poor tutueria cio na mbuge in this country tuare na one chance na ntia tukona that chance again without condemning anyone or without being kwithira wirutera rwe kurwa gisiasa kana anything but twale na mutongerio mota ije siasa indo ije gwita ngugi na mbuga oni akethera kandi na power cia kwa by myself tukeja kuona president uti political no it is not possible na governance but political then I think we can progress bakarani institution ura twethara tukirana gatona ja itha ja bank ja Equity ina Mwangi ura komerani ya private entity. No, to private entities, they are there to make profit. Urera nagwa ikimaga at making profit kana kuthithia faida twethire twina nthiguru ne kurano imuntu akimaga ura nthiguru yumba ku make profit kana yumba ku make faida na still bagi provide the social amenities kana mantera thirikari batere ku provide. Now we had such a leader in name it was Kibaki in 2003 Kibaki agotonya mtora ataije kuringa siasa muno na ataije kwaria in fact ni antu bamwikire gitine kiu ni antu bamutonyirio nenene we ngwate ndumba kuiringira campaign itware na baraira bakiuga Kibaki tosha na some other leaders bakiraitu bamu campaign with so much energy mwanka atonya gitine na mtora 2007 gatwa muritano ntu mtora ataije siasa but in development wise mtora as an economist he did what was not done for the last 40 years. Before the 2003, it was around 40 years since independence. indi aitire ngugi itaiti for the past 60 years 40 years no nto mbere ya Tonya Kibaki we today including you are product ye regime ya Kibaki. When Kibaki was getting to power undali kara 7 na most of the millennials bara tu inabona Arua na generation ile nyuma yetu nyenje nsi baba they are product of misingira Kibaki atigireka 2003 when he got into power mwemwe ere ku make sure anto bako thoma jora tukuga since independence the problem ile chale ono ukia na ithomo biu but you from 2003 nare na intention ya ku improve kana go change ya manto jagi education and he changed a lot. Before then uninkulika na batu ituengairwa skuru ituengairwa mbese chekegero shilingi 20 na ikaura no kala kuthithia kiro ntuba shilingi 20 igita riu ria Moi ana boethera muciari wina ana batantatu bonde bwatarairwa fees muciari atarairwa fees ye wenga ketha shilingi 100 agatarwa aita 100 ana bao bonde batigwa beskuru kou wathoma wo muciari athoma rito ana bao bonde bakaumara bakatonya kirashine but still shilingi 100 ile ya ijaura na mwana watu yakatumba gwita shukuru nukuona until Kibaki ya make education free na ajoki economy in a very bad state even in the imbiwa tukio economy ne omi mtorori kwigitara Moi past gitara Moi gochoka nyuma mtorori na kaomega kwera maisha ya omina jate omi no amenye ora maisha jakari gitara Moi na Kibaki he took over the leadership when the government kana the country was in a depression but America Senate orimwe manto jamberia ku move economic wise manto jamberia ku move education wise manto jamberia ku move and he is the only president mwankana Arua waunganirie manto ja ataungania manto ya development na siasa not to since from Gitara Kibaki even whatever we having today utikio tu inakiona Arua gitikie Gitara Kibaki
na igite na after Kibaki twari na thirikari yari na Kenyatta
yes
that is Uhuru na Ruto na ibare na Big Four agenda
yes
nyuma ya kidona ke 2013
yes
mwaka 2016-2017 the Big Four agenda siabati kwedera keyolelia mantu yeye vision 2030 nishombere kwedera ige kinyanira kana kashiateanirwa ate totonya kiri mantu ya tena misingi ya vision 2030
if we give credit to where it's due when Uhuru wali baitangu kuma 2013 mwaka 2017 mbere siasa itonya 2018 unto 2018 ngogita itomo no siasa chengi nguru tangu second term the first term the big four agendas shall chia complement the vision 2030 just like you are saying. For example, the universal health care. The universal health care gitara uru no rejere na manto ja linda mama no rejere na manto ja amatano sijui what watu kana ndema mwakuru na gweta cibitari akawa mwana otheri na akaraya kuria anything no reo manto ja bureaucracy nyingi nya cibitari na manto ja kuria je na mire watuika na ndi most of the cases ijeka we were closer to getting to a point ya kwethera mtu no ete cibitari agatirito na kaumara that is where we were going but agenda iria na ketha imanto je ya agriculture na manufacturing watuika na ndi
food security
yes na food security manufacturing na eto kwema gweta ki industrialization na nyamanzo ya affordable housing yale je gitara Uhuru. Those are the even if, in fact they were the big four agendas. The food security, equal na manto health care, equal na affordable housing. All those things na I think na garidia so much from 2020 to 2017 but to ekwamberia 2018 ciatonya siasa ila tukuga at one point meya mutongeria ora gukaraga kabwe when you are in politics you balance in between doing the work na doing what people like kana antu bakwenda uthithia nontu there is a difference between what you need to do na kire antu bakwenda uthithia kire antu bakwenda uthithia in most of the cases gitithera kibui for them ijora mwana ari raira sweet ari raira biscuit ari raira sonda and they are not good for mwere jwawe ini bya kuigwa kienda na in most of the cases masses kana population ibenda kama no intobiriria bitu batethia bakaukira intobire bio batethia no ntona bio intobire bio batethia they are painful ya mwere ora wethera ndi intobire nya bio tethia mwere ni into bitena mureo ni into bitena nkanya ni into tikwenda lakini ibyo mwere jo kwenda lakini ibyo kwenda mwere jo tikwenda na ibyo bikathukia mwere. And that is what happens. But in politics, you do, most of the time, you do what people like you doing. But the man to kuthithia te abojen, te ibojen ndio jatu bateria. For example, ito arena former governor, yule alitolewa.
Kawira
Mwangaza. Aitero against the will of the people. People antu bamwenda na bamwenda no ntubai, mandi buti, blanket, sijui nini, ng'ombe kawa wandi mwe onde. And all those shenanigans, to the people they are okay with it. No ntonande inkonkwera antu ibenda ale momentu chati ubatedia indi jo bakwenda. But weta utagana the bigger project or the bigger things that she batere gutedia community she was not so much into that. But antu ibo mwenda. Nande it comes to when it comes to politics no mwanko balance umenye uitangogere batere gutedia community na ngogere kwenda no ntunago no kwenda ochokai yetene. Now, the only president who was very selfish about keda gatonya gitene ka atetonya inyawe na sarendete nyauga inanto bamushikumire gitege okauga igwe mwanga to atonya into post election violence 2007 it was Kibaki. All other people they must balance between politics and development. For example, in the current regime itorare na manto ja rito ambija ja tura ja empowerment.
Oh, sorry.
Trying to manage empowerment. And empowerment area it is an advanced empowerment. Jere reo ya Kawira Mwangaza. Okolea. Meote mwanya jo okolea na okolea jera reo the national government ira diuruka every constituency pokatinda ubu diurukete ukodorani antu magiri pokaya boka odo chiringi 9 million 8 million. Boestete a lot of resources, boestete madha na time yanto baingi sana and those things they are imanto anto bakwenda butinda konani una na figures itomwe online ulabo botha mbecha nyingi cha empower people but politics management politics no kona na I think the vision 2030 mostly area area so much limited by the so much politics in the leaders no toneo ukethrande if politics kana gatuika mathogana ya that leader ya kwa skewed ka ya kugwa muno rutere rwa siasa then rutere rwa development rukaumia. Those are the two things iteta iria parallel imono mwanka if you invest so much into one thing the other no mwanka lose, and that is what has been happening. Otherwise we have some work to do.
Sure. Na nyuma ya second term nyuma ya ndishega katika Uhuru na Raila atonguma siasa ne siambimbi yae siasa siandishik shetek presidents orutungoge kindogo tonguma siasa ne full blown mwanga 2022 2022 akenya baigwanande it's time for change na baidira bakivote in agenda ira yeta bottom up ya thirikari UDA Kenya Kwanza ende Kenya Kwanza bottom up kidogo kwethira kuri na overhaul ya all programs ira ciambiritwe kiri thirikari ya Jubilee ya Uhuru Kenyatta mutaratara NHIF ya overhaul manto ya kemisi ya nemis mitaratara ya yeye manto ya e-citizen manto kuanjare ne shanto kiobe na some of key programs ira ciambiritwe cia overhauled twambiria ingi injaro. Was that a good move by the Kenya Kwanza government?
And that is where ene kuga kabwe what has been a limitation na nega to limit nya mwanka thaizi ni siasa no tonande ndale bottom up indalinga cia bottom up na tuitonya siasa ne kabwe tuliuga thirikari tigwitanguge ne tibui na tuliuga NHF tigwitanguge tuliuga utikyoke kuendelea gikiega then to come in no mwanka to prove it is not working na the way of proving it is not working, it is doing the overhaul kana go change into bibyo ndo kuga na ndio kenda bikara ni ndo bibyo bikuthithia ate na ne kuga ndio kuona ya for example if toka ya mantone ya health care initially ikware na linda mama na offer yunge chonde chariki the former regime and NHF it was working and I don't know what was not working that was made working by SHA. I don't know no to with the SHA yezire ya ambere gwekera makabi bambete kugenya ukethera kwena mtunyo kurirwa ithirikari ntorona inyo motha hiyo kurirwa ithirikari thesha bauga mbeca ikena mamwanka to 300 ntorona mwanka thaiku mtu kuria 300 in fact it is the 500 the minimum 500 to which was paid before na nande the system iretio re annually not even initially jora mtu anganga ukaria 500 next month ukaria na kama thai iretio the 6000 igetanirwe icio nthi iria amwe na nomba kwa na mwaje cibitari ugonyaga kungangana ona transport wiki ya mwaje cibitari indi yakinya cibitari urerwa SHA etita ngo mwanka uri 6000 the same SHA iri kinya ina cabin ukerwa na ndi uwe yakabwe urirwa ithirikari chiringi 200 koguo ya kwajwa murimu jo January ya kwajwa murimu jo kwenda 200 wajwa February cete kurunga mira no ntumbeca cia kwira cigikandi cia thiriate ichiathirire and I think the kwina shortcomings na challenges ile ciare okay NHIF ya for example ya corruption the corruption ile hapenaga inside NHIF na we manto jara we system ya changamoto and the best way ya go solve a problem is not creating another problem kana ko make manto jae complex kana ambiguous kenda mtu ateka ajere we na ndeja kare cause of problem no nto madena jara yari ki afya house na in a system ile chali ku NHF inende solve in another better way than just doing an overall a system which was working na kuigwa a system ne kuria more than 100 billion just a system I no mtu IT but ndenda kuerwa what is a system ile ku cost 105 billion
and 104
billion kenda system ile kwa NHF not to sufficient the system rather than doing away with the whole system. What is in the one system is like just some is your whole website ile operate no kuona na ndio system procure system no to na personal interest in it. The system will taxpayers money 104 billion which billion yimbo tomba kwa to kumenya what is a billion kabwe a billion in a zero kenda if you get a billion today bet you we itange no tichangiri so chiara wa nyo ogachie karaini ni kuma Mombasa gaikinya na the same money ogachie kere nya mutembe na gachiojura the 1 billion naruo kabanga on tuko uri jaga inya 50,000 40,000 ukario kenyangia if you get your calculator bet you uri over you can do it
no to the point
yes
non to kiareria ciatumira 104 billion
yes I want to ndenda to tare madhabu ja 1 billion just 1 billion kenda to know what is 1 billion
divide by 50 you ni divide by
50,000
na 50,000 you ni 20 million ni 20 million like
1 billion
into 20 million
into 2 million divide by 365 wana ime yake ngana
divide by
365
eo ni tuko ngiri 54 miaka 54
kwa hiyo kile ya ngiri 50 na aru ntuko ngiri 50 ule ambaye chu miaka 54 ukoona meaning if you decide to use ukabanga gutumira ngiri 10 utumira miaka 250 Kwa narua mbe ukanenkerwa 1 billion ukabanga ku consume ka 10,000 pande uria ugakua ugatigira mwana oku akaria agakua agatigira mwana owe akaria agakua ithirwo hivyo ya 4th generation ithirwo ikiojojo yaku ikio kithiria mbechu nyeko kire jagai ongirie 10 pande. That is 1 billion. Na a system ikatumira 104 billion. Na system hiyo tena mbecha utokyo gikirinde ene utene thingo tembecha cieku cia go secure cia go insure any patient kana anything. It's just an operating system. No kuona hii system ya gutetheria manzu go operate. Na ndio gategera ini tukona kwena okora kwena politics in it na ukona ndi menya gwatuika twejire na process ki system ire wakaga ya NHIF to improve na to metithia na mbere bwega turira tukwira ya vision 2030 ngurukira ino tukatha ito ambere ocoka nyuma like 3-4 years ago. Just to remind you igitara Kibaki otonya 2003 imbia changerie in terms of policy in terms of a constitution ile Moi oira atumaira before 2010 to change ya constitution yetu eneo no yo Kibaki ajukirie neo a change the judicial system, a change the governance, a change the economy, a change inya right itu right share the 2010 constitution to achione even before the 2010 constitution. The right to speak and ba member urende gwetanya president wo mugwetao nyo chingireta nyomba gwaku runene kaweja iro nuntu utemea no rakuigwa no rakumenya but from 2003 president yejire president nyo kurumwa agetwa marito yonde agetwa arunga magauga chana nao ni mavi ya kuku na yani right ira to enjoy today we received them even before 2010 constitution. Kwa Kibaki operate na system ile ciariku icia improve mbere ya guturetera na 2010 constitution ya gutuma inyore onge ukeja ate tucokiara tware gitara mu. In fact Kibaki agreta constitution na turetera kenda to enjoy the right we are already enjoying ka turetera kenda na ndi muntu ngoro ukeja ukarija Moi ate gatucokiara tware igitara yambi ya Moi. And I believe in good governance yo kuga when you meet some things it will happen. For example, kwena that health care ni work NHF ni work ni ekodithirwa some improvement poverty mantoja kurwa na poverty economy kwena mantoja kuthithwa policies work you just come in ya affordable housing you get ikuretwa na program work you enhance those programs rather than killing them and introducing new things. Sure. No, to the moment you introduce the new things, you erode the progress. Irera dhide to the previous programs, kato achoka zero kairi. Lakini hakuno nto ito kwenda siasa, we must get into that, and that is why tugeta nambere guterua. Kiatho getu kana ndeti cietu ira tuenachio na 2030.
Na budget ya mwaka jwa ke thirikari 2025-2026 ni 4.2 trillion. Inde kire State of the Nation address happened some days ago. Rais William Ruto augire to make Kenya to be like Singapore. In his own words, we need 5 trillion Kenya shillings. Kenda Kenya itweka degro ya Singapore. Akiweta some of the yarawani infrastructural improvement manto duo karinji na wetere na mitaratara inge indi that thought ya Kenya itweka Singapore nonto nande about 5 trillion. Actually dai irando ya Kenya ni over 12 trillion. Over 12 trillion. Nonto tikasi ya reviewed kuringa na Grapevine reports ni over 16 trillion. Nonto ni mwaka yoto kaithira tukibudia review ya marando ya raithirite ya kirombo kiri mwaka juju haki thirikari. Na nende irando iguru ya irando mawirane iguru ya mawirane Kenya ika Singapore mbere ya 2027.
Inya 2030 tutikinya inya 2040 we are too far unless tuone another Kibaki kana the existing leaders especially the head of state unkuigita Ruto atonya siasa in 2022 ndaugaga Ruto is one of the most kana one of the leaders to a genius very good in mind very sharp in mind na nderantu if he decides to help us agatutethia nthiguru ikakana agatutethia nguru kiora Kibaki atutethetie but abango turaga agatura atukwepuru nonto neo nawe imuntu utharimi na kanywa sana imuntu umba kwaria bwega sana na bwakara noe na aru nthiguru. In fact one of the reason yake na ngochukuma na nkoromba tu nyanto especially the Mount Kenya especially the Meru people we support him nonto bwa kia wake kia mwana wetu ule Tharaka-Nithi na ituije wene power kirigi kinja gwetaga ya kuoga na ndetu na kirigi kithirikari ne gitemea kwa gya kuoga but I tell you for free Ruto is very sharp.
Ende kirigi kiu gya tuthaikira manto ya twike Vision 2030 kuyura
na ndenu ije Vision 2030 ambairia gwaku kabui. Vision 2030 ambairia gwaku. Waku Vision 2030 uta achieve utumba kwambiria gwachiviria mutore Mombasa waku uti achieve Vision 2030 na arua most of the development ireta bwa Nyanza nukuona from the handshake kume gitara uru handshake yengi na ndio antu banyanza no betha bakiwa be closer to Vision 2030 more than we are feeling na ndio tuna mtu wetu aja akuena atwe we can nyatu no to achieve vision yetu before others nukuona like we central the western they have achieved some of the things we have not achieved yet no nto baba ibakarana akuena power na the more they get closer to power the more they are closer to their Vision 2030 omuntu mbere tukinya the national Vision 2030 ukomba kwa achieve ku mbere the better but I enchokera kwale ndiwa the current president muntu bombo karande guru na arua sorry to use the term but no urage mutano nyakwe akakwira uraga mutano yakana akakonvince how it is good to kill him no kamuraga no kauma we happy man no ntumudora na convince it was the right thing to do. He has a very high convincing power. Bwa karano wende guru akaumira wake Andres atakuzungumzia utasikia hii maneno kweli ni mzuri na ni sawa sawa na tunasonga. But at the end of the day we kugai promise of promises kutenga na kutengua but Singapore tuko mbali sana na Singapore. And one of the reason kwe farm reality statistics the other day.
Also farm?
Yes. Menya ke ligandres menya ke macro indicators ichi kuona ni raiku ya progressing but we are not moving. No to macro indicators yotaka GDP otaka sijui inflation rate ichi kuenama otaka all those things but kuena gento twetaka for example the inflation rate chietanagia na unemployment. If the inflation rate is too low then expect unemployment is too high. Na when unemployment is too high kanando baingi bate guitangwe ga bate andiki then expect a lot of low income, and when people are getting low income then they have less income to dispose and to invest. When they have less to consume and they invest then to get a cycle kethiuruka no but at the end of the day nyanji ndipero kuona ga macro indicators kuona ya progressing then at the end of the day want to progress. The best way to indicate a progressing nation is where every person is feeling the growth of the economy. Kana mtu onde na kuigua kukura ku economy igitara ke baki utaninda kurwa the inflation rate anga GDP angambi everybody was feeling it, and most of the millionaires were made during the Kibaki regime. Currently that statistics udoranagia 125 people millionaires billionaires 125 people bena wealthy, almost the 10% of the Kenyan wealth in the 125 people. 47 million population near the year anaka the 10%. The 90% of the wealth in 125 people. The 10% here kwa 47 million, among them the greatest percentage itakumbanya kwa fund 130 shillings per day. Then na to kinyage Singapore. If the growth the macro indicators ile kone the growth you in 125 people. Nuntu ibo bagweta ethraima no legwa the other day mbere no thitukiaria manto ja a candidate tukwenda uringira kura kana kuringirwa kira kana ko front waringirwa kura ena skando kwendia rugorwa 470 something million. No kona. So those are the people bena 125 those are the 125 people then 90% of the Kenyan wealth. Na ne kwero na ndi GDP it is growing. The economy is growing, but our economy as Kenyans is going down. No kuona. Na ndi na vision one of the vision year 2030, one of the pillar equal ensure there is no poverty or fighting poverty and ensuring there is no difference between, there is no so much gap between the poor and the rich. But it has widened. The gap has widened so much. You can imagine 125 people into 125. Now that is okay. Jotagora kora karambere. It is true. It is true. Bakuga 125 people. Nunto watu ka mtu kiombo kejo nyirie nja ciambere wikari cionde ugeta nja watu ka nje ne kuria kiume kimono ntu bwakuri ni hatari nja ina antu akue 10 15 people bakanyira nuntu bwaku for 1 week bakaja bakayawangirira ndatu omuntu nyawo ukawa chiringi magana ne muntu moko thithia mantu ka antu bairi bathatu population yembere ni antu bangana tu wenyane antu 78,000 but 8,000 bakanyirwa ne antu the constituency now tuge 80 to 100,000 bakanyirwa na ndeni antu 10 no the 10% ira tukuga na area the 125 bakoni the 90% of the economy.
So bottom up kidogo imefail in other words tutoe watu hapa chini tuwapeleke hapa juu.
Unajua the concept about the bottom economic model minyanda ame explain tukiringa campaign tuendaga for me it was making sense.
But
it was making sense.
The application of it may fail.
That is where the problem is. How do we have that bottom up? Not just a slogan. Ye witanto bokiri ukabokiri ate. Kubokiri sasa kuga ibokirwa it is very easy. But uroka abokiria it's another thing.
Na nasema lakini kutenda ndio ngumu.
Kutenda ni ngumu. Egitala huru and the way nagetumi twarwaga na manto ja top down. Trickle down. Now he was targeting the rich, he was targeting the big industries. Aka expecting and for example ya aukeria industry eku ogowe jamu to kiombe the industry eku okeru ka provide employment to some other people.
Of course
it trickle down effect. But the bottom up model yerina some other agenda which was making sense. Such that urenda guita the base the people antopara bende gurala buru paitaitia bakinya the middle class no kuona the middle class ruba gukinyerwo iba bende guru nyabo ibombere gwitia no ntoba na it was demand oriented
kana the middle class in a shrink
kama kuna manaki bottom
middle class actually kio trickle down itokete ki bottom no ntonande bo pay slip ile unasikia okwa pay slip
very true
no ntoba taxes levies
urana ndiko akalire the bottom class okuga ere na mande guru the top class ikendera witaitia nkuruki unaona so when we were talking about it the mind was it was making sense economically if you empower people at the lower level ukabongera the power unajua kwa hiyo tuita demand it is ability to buy and the willingness to buy in most of the cases tutatoa a lot of willingness na aruwa no kwenda kuria nyama no kwenda kuthithia no kwenda ku spend no kwenda but yote na ability ability ikaizo can demand so the bottom economic model
you can demand yambi in economic terms
you are in desperation no turande utena ability na no kwenda
so in desperation
So,
actually now the politicians are feeding on the desperation of the people.
Yes.
Akana kinyamara kia wananchi ige kikwa inya atongeria nontuba nande kira ribotira cia tunduka cigi voter bribery.
Yes.
Nontu nande ontuba batena ability ya purchase mandukene
yes.
batena mbesha mubukone igitera campaign ya othania mtu ya tano kana ira bathania otukana ndi bakonere ya kawe
ina rongi nontu nande ciringi 500 kiwe jarimini too much nukuwa nande ukuga kinyamara gyantu kana kuthangeka gwantu nari ukwenda gintu no tena inye gukiona imithangiko no tonyaga utukuga ikinyamara nukuona na the intention was tuije no kwenda nande wewe inye ya kuthithio ontoboria na inya iraga atia for example it is ensuring money is circulating in the economy how by for example kwena monetary policies tuga monetary policies na fiscal policies cia government. Monetary policies thirikari ni jaga ikarua the interest rate bank ikarua the interest rate na terms cia kurendi money igatuika chikwa loosened kwatuika bank ni kweja na mbeca kiri antu na njire mbuthu no kuona but thirikari kweja yambiririe kuongera nao the rates the rate cia bank kwatuika na ndi bank bambiririe antu bambiririe gucindana na thirikari gukoba mbeca no nyamba thirikari ni gukoba banks domestic borrowing ni kuromba bank mbeca na ndi bank ikiromba antu bakiromba mbeca bank ne thirikari ni kuromba kinya to a point ira tuita crowding out effect atukana ndi bank willing so much willing kunenkera thirikari mbeca nguruki ore willing kunenkera antu
no mbeca cie mo secure
no nto mbeca cia thirikari cie secure no nto ite default but antu no bandi default rules kona ndi antu bambiria gwatwa mbeca ciambiria kwa wa thirikari mbeca cia wa thirikari igeta ki the 125 people para tukwarahiria ko ituchoka kire antu kairi no kuona na izi necio ciubatere kunenkera antu mea Kibaki urathithirie he made very easy na inya most of the circles cia open regitara Kibaki na irio bank cia drive he made it easy for people to borrow money ugeto karomba mbeca tururi ukaro gutena mantu ya maingi antu mbere bakirite kuromba mbeca muno ba mantu ja thithua easy kuromba mbeca ugeto gaitaka biashara gaku gakuonera mbeca ugachokia kairi uga spend money in the economy na ndo watuika the bottom people iba ko spend a lot in the economy no kuona unimbuga for example na arua impeja na example muno yanto jabra betha thokone kiwanja jakira kithara kithokone ala kina antu jaka koromone for example ka koromone mbuga na antu tugenya ngiri emwe bara bendagia ale o muntu athugume ciringi 500 akintuko ingiri 500 ngiri 500 uti muntu ukathuguma 500 ka koromone ukarara acio ko ngiri 500 ilika uma ka koromone igatumirwa ntuko the same day ko multiply effect ngiri 500 jaria at the end of the day ikarigia 500 jaria jathiurukite njara withire iretere effect yakui nya 5 million in that one day but thoko ere ke yo momoro ari antu bakeberu ari igete ga koteri nene mono ari oteri nene kumamaga antu bauma na ari bakauma
125
yes the 125
mere ya grant 125
watuika yoteri nene rako gakoromone ari ya yoteri nene tuije chikumiru ukatuika kana nde antu bareja bakamama ku o ntuku emwe oteri ne kuthuma nyangiri magana yairi thoko ri thuma ngiri 500 no nto antu omuntu ari thuma ya 5 but oteri ri akaro gakoromone iri ona ngiri 500 yairi faindo ntuku inde ngiri 500 yairi jau muntu ro kuona ngiri 500 yairi jau ati spend beju chombo kara nya account ni mwaka jumwe ata spend kana iga iko nyanthe guru cia ome ukona na procurement nya into bira bi otumiro au otike ka thithu nya meru nya kimwe era ni kwacie ketha ikarotiri gatumiro oteri neu ketha anything ni into bikuretwa ni itonga bi nene na anto bena ma farms jama nene na ndi ugogore ma eke kuchukuma eke moto mtu ena shughuli nawe no the suppliers ni antu ba nene kumbe zirinya economy ne meru itiotethi economy meru no kuona na inya go security wacho tigo security multiply effect ira to kuonaga antu ba koromone kinya 5 million iri kara stagnant inya zero no nto nyangi magana yere jau chakauma rome meru jathiria ate that is how economy works kwa hiyo these people be enhance to bona mbeca ige security anjare ne ciao we grow faster than the trickle down effect and that was our intention but the government when it came in yongerere matax fiscal project ile bateko ya kithithigia mbeca igatonya ki mwananchi bando ni procurement ile thithwa ki
the procurement ngorare na mante procurement akwethera kuri na ni kabone ki
na inya no ikwenda go control enda inya devolution yetuika devolution ile yaja Meru County nyao botena rutha na botena room na botena freeway leko yekueja na those tender uria bukwenda ko iga controlirwa na Nairobi
so kutuike devolution gotena ociathi
bas
na talking of policies cia thirikari kire state of the nation address ya rais na ugire some of the key public companies ikethira ikithananua njarene cia antu kiumbe ikethira shares cia thirikari cia Safaricom ikethira ikenderwa kiri private entities ikethira ni KPC Kenya Public Company ikethira ikithananua njarene cia antu kiumbe Kenya Port Authority njarene cia antu kiumbe JKIA njarene cia antu kiumbe. Such a policy non tuna meariri kiri State of the Nation address tukwira arakiari garune ya bunge senators and the National Assembly the MPs. How viable is that kwendi shares kwendi makampuni ya mwingi kwa njarene cia antu kiumbe like PPP public private partnership ya tumbithia kukinyira Singapore?
I think one of the problem that we know to make a privatization. When you privatize public property, one day mwitha area kulize revenue, and it is one of the way kana injire mwera thirikari umba kulize mbeca nayo kwendia property cia thirikari. Now one justifying the act, most of the assets cia thirikari yachiona ande project cia thirikari na ngwe cia thirikari itemeka profit, chimeka losses. Ile nyingi nyaka ifanda kwa na taxpayers money kenda I remain afloat kana chithira ikifunctionaga chikachi etagasara.
Reason being?
Being one of the reason you go to kwere so kuna a lot of mismanagement. Secondary, most of the services cia thirikari cia gutethia mwananchi tikuthuguma ithera services cia thirikari tira cie profit oriented cia after gutethia mwananchi. So for one reason na mismanagement nyire ikendelea gatweka institution ile ite make profit kai make loss. That is one justification you can make sure if you privatize that product no generate revenue rao to make within the economy na katethia kungro. But one of the undoing kanara bora butumana ndego tuika we don't justify the privatization institution area whether andeja laiji if they privatize for example tuina railway ukoona tuina Kenya Port Authority just like you are saying if those institutions they are privatized one thirikari kona mbeca ikanenkerwa mbeca but mbeca ile itetaki the 47 million igetaki the 125 people ikeya kutuika kathirikari umba ku privatize na revenue ile koneka kuma ki mbeca ile gatumeka ki economy kaki the 47 people kubakuria na ku grow the economy, then it is justifiable act non to thirikari go spend this money to the economy. One, the money is accumulating, the people are growing, the economy is growing na nya institution ile ikwamberia ku grow igetera more people no kuona. But neo Kenya, this is Kenya, they sell the property, they mismanage the money, the money remains with the 125 people kenda bejo tombura ibuto kinyere gitara election. Then institution ile na chichi kubatere ku provide amenities to the people. Iba provide at affordable prices. Igatuika na ndechie tonyanjare ne chianto kiumbe gaitia bei. For example, kela ni arora arega chiringi 700 ukamberia kurea ngiri na 500. Na ruo kurea ngiri na 500 mbechire chiendirwo utekio wona. Me ija anja limwe karadirika le karaje kasi je mantu very ambiguous. For example, je dai ugetoka ko baruni. Ugetoka ko baruni bank ukoba chiringi 50. 50 ile ugetoka kura TV nene na gete nyomba. Itobira uti revenue iko generate. Inde nande stima na gete TV kene kambiria kule stima nyingi nande. Ketha mbere urarega stima chiringi 100 ando kambiria kule stima chiringi 200. Kwa kuongera expenditure inde uteini kamwira thiri ate na no kuria ru no kuria ru nande ija gukarande thirikari ikweja ikujukia ikwendia asset mbeca ile iteja kiri antu ugande thororo na chiringi 200 ntuku ukombithwa kuona chiringi 300 thirikari kwa ukona 200 oro jaro rathi ate urona services ile ora provide kwa thirikari institution ile rendirie ora provide kwa at 700 shillings na ndio ugo gweta waitithirwo cia mberio kinyangiri na 500 kukarega chiringi 500 ntu cia private entity na private entity after making profit
sure
no kuona kwa ukarega chiringi 500 na aja na kumbe zile thirikari endiria antu ikuretere kumbithia kuona ngiri na 500 cia kureirio ucanjo na private kai mtu kiumbe ore ugurire institution ile ugore ono 200 ile oro athithe ate urona kwa una ndio wongera matumizi yaku na mbeca cia rimeni yariko o haria the revenue accumulate hiyo the 125 people whatever kuoni imbi pakuoni the country. I think the idea is usually very viable economically, it's very viable no it is one way government yomba ku raise revenue. The problem comes the corruption, mismanagement ireke our leaders.
Sure.
And that is where we have, that's the bottom, that's the problem. In
Corruption.
fact, the problem ile itumi tutekinya 2030 corruption
na inya leadership
na leadership.
Na tukiaririe manto ya Vision 2030.
Yes.
Should we lose hope ati nande tutingia Kyoto kia 2030 na tukaya ku lose hope, what happens kana katubati ko review the vision kana nimbi bati ko buizwa le kenda tumbo kinya unonto nande kabalabala kato kinya kato itirite tugeta nako 2030 twakinya twi kimpangaratano ene nenkeroki
Kabwe totena inyaupo rende totena inyaupo ekurusi totena inyaupo ekurusi totena inyaupo ekurusi nonto mundu ne tole in regards to Vision 2030 to mundu ne tu kabisa nonto neo unless we I don't know I'm manifesting kana inkorota igitare mwe tukinya samwe ara tuketha twina youthful leadership na nkiuga youthful leadership ntekuga nonto they are better kana they are so good than the other one but kwena notion imwe na kwena ganto kamwe mbije batena ko katumanya tucoka nyuma na kombo tutethia
ende bwana Jero.
Yes.
2013 towa tumetoka analog to digital. The digital brothers Zuru na Ruto bakithania wekira shati bwanene lakini bado Vision 2030
tutenda digital tu analog na Nyauru Ruto no akuru we are not yet in digital no kuona akwena ndegoroje Burkina Faso ile yajukini
Ibrahim Traore.
Yes, just angaye the imerenio nyetha bajukirie thirikari na njere nthuku tha iji thirikari itite kuthiria marando jonde tarajende kurune betete kurekania na manto ja marando batuike bate kundaiwa no kuona ugoro na yakatomba kuthiria marando jara twina jo Kenyari the 16 trillion iru tugutara 16 trillion ri ugoro na yakatomba kuthiria marando ja uri and for how long president umerenio o Burkina Faso for how long akarete thirikari
less than 3 years
within a very short period no ntoe atije manto jo kabira atije manto ja sijui accumulate all this we ya kama ushindana na ura kwetha na mbecha nyingi ngurukia ungi yani kuna so many things mtu atekwa tied with kuna change tu mutheka kuona jo wana nje kiuga we are formless we are tribalist we are what those are the factors, those are things ila tumba ku embrace tuka move very fast na tuka achieve the Vision 2030. Sure.
Na no tumwerekeria mbira tu ina ndeka ijere tudia tukimilikilia na no rungamirite mantu yegi mishedo.
Yes.
You are a youth person na mantu mishedo ya endeneku. Juzi tonere era ntimita bribery lakini tonere Harambee Stars bakirwa for Chan 2024.
Yes.
Agiro oboshinda bokewa kiminja kia mbesha kia naona bokewa manyomba ya naona baidhira baina moral yo chedha baba ingi boba millionaires nonto bwa kanyamukara kauma garuni ya rais mobukoni rais ende juzi Senego ya twata ya twilaila inyanya itene jokia kithi mishedo twa Kenya KPL kwire ya kinya ye EPL kiwango kiu
nande ngiaria matho ja sport kwa mbere ma ambume na ambotoma mbaririe gicigo gya South Imenti twititio we appreciate so much itorarikirie FKF ligi torarikirie just like 2 weeks ago tware na finals tariki kenda na itukweregera kwitha twena ligi njega better than the other one 2026 tuomba kwambia around January. Now we appreciate our MP Dr. Shandrak itwamurombere ethere a patron kana come as a sponsor ke mubira yetu jo South Imenti from 2022 2023 2024 kuma 2022 mbesa cheni CDF cia sport kwa broke NG CDF majority of the teams icia suffer so much no ntumbeza cia sport na ndisha ituru chi kwa climate but twamu approach re with our proposal twamu approach na twaria noe kenda ono ara hatutethia na ndikando na mbeca cia sport no ntuneyo bo youth there is no other avenue kuba gwata tiga manto ne jigi sport ni ataga come in another way nyaketha mbeca cia sport itiki manto je ni sinji ndie free mbia kathithia kenda omba go come in na jire in the last league turare neo na tutetheria timu embere ona 50 the last timu yona 10 na kwena plan ireo a robust plan come next season manto ja mega nkuruki ja kathithika even to before tukinyakia awarding even before tukinyakia awarding na promisete wero aria rureo no tutaria public no tukwe manto ja takinya hapa na pale but then a robust and a good plan for those teams we appreciate them so much and those are the motivating factor to kwenda na nkiareria manto ja chani kabwe oni ndiuga kwena acithi baingi muno na mbuga by the from that chani meru itonere some millionaires ibejere meru na oni temeta bribery ngameta a motivating factor because we've been lacking that even before ukethera mucethi acethere ari kerigi utikia kuona mucethi ace yani mwanko kaigwa nya muciari mwana cukuru uri muria na ndi mwana ari egemea manto ne ji sport ukamuria uri cetha wonai uri cetha ukaratia uri murasimisha mauku kethera nya some of the institution private itekureka mwana itarekaga na nya beta break ba karama uku ne bekra midego mauku no to system yetu tuetekagia there is nobody can benefit from sport we can only benefit from books na I think lakini arua mwana na arua kero ku mtora acethere mubira ndaika nente a millionaire then na motivating factor gutuma thithia ate acetha what I would condemn housing kia affordable housing is a good thing but nyumba ya tugetekia chinjare ni cia mtu kiumbe ayejana gore akwenda
sure
ayejana gore akwenda inkuthugane icibate cina program ire batere kwetherero gutuma inenkerwa antu bara boto yo ciumba nonto baunya bakunenkerwa beside manto jange jondo ibo ciumba nonto i project ya antu bara boto yo ciumba ne rimene project ya antu bara boto yo ciumba then motivating factor engi ne thithirwo na beside the motivating factor itumbe on the structures jo kuona and the county government niko and we appreciate mulega the CC sport with his governor iba kwenda twakira iba kwenda guto renovate stadium chetu ira chonde twina cio Southimenti not Southimenti Meru County Southimenti twina Shaba iba kwenda twikira fence among other stadium ira twina cio Meru County na mawa stadium no netengeri mbeca kuthithwa to a level standard gucethera mibira inya national so all those things I think ndauga ito separate between ito motivate players but still to atonya into to so much into politics to thokia good thing.
Thank you very much and thank you for your time. Mwerekeria mbira ikomiliki la shiondeira au tunenkerete and thank you for coming and thank you for gutetetheria okuthoya vision 2030 on beta wakabwe mudharimi ni bwega no tubokorumira Meru TV utungatera kire mitandao kinande at Meru TV Kenya nkwendere utuko bobwega beta wakabwe mudharimi mugeni wetu au kare muthoyo mandeji ya siasa na uchumi bwana Robert Jero wa Credible.